I've been gardening for over 10 years, and little did I know it would become my path to reclaiming my health. From incorporating a wider variety of organic foods into my daily meals, from creating a restorative place for me to reflect on the lifestyle I truly craved. And this is where my passion for healthy living and gardening melded, and Lake Geneva's Garden Girl came to bloom. I want everybody to have a garden, and I believe everybody can be a gardener. I design approachable and sustainable gardens to fit your lifestyle. My mission is to enhance your favorite foods by infusing freshly harvested ingredients into your home-cooked meals. I will teach you how to maintain your garden so it continues to thrive, and you'll receive up to 6 months of fresh harvest here in Wisconsin. I believe a healthy garden is a healthier you, and I can't wait for you to experience all the joys of a garden-to-table lifestyle with your own kitchen garden. Head to my website and book a consult with me today. I'm ready to get my hands dirty and create a garden that nourishes you and feeds your soul.